They'll be watching for us.
Let's move!
We've reached open water.
Full power! Ship your oars! Sails up! Sails down! Ship the oars!
There! We can probably salvage that! Salvage nearby. Shall we pick it up?
Get that sail up! Sails now! Get the oars ready!
The Adrestia was built to survive the worst storms and the toughest battles. But she was meant to sail on waters as glorious as these.
Oars at the ready!
We're going as fast as we can!
Rowing speed! Lower the sail!
I don't think we can take them on alone.
Sails up now! Faster! Oars ready! Slow down!
Commander, they're trying to ram us!
Come on!
We need to move before they hit us!
Let's move it! I need action! Lower the sail! Get in position! Orders with me! Let's bring them down!
much to do, and many... Someone cover their position! Don't like our chances, Commander. We should fall back.
Ready up!
Out of sight, out of mind. Just smooth sailing ahead.
Get board! Ready the oars! We're at maximum speed!
There's some debris in the water.
Oars down! Raise oars! Rowers in position! Sailing speed! Get the oars out! Drop the sail! Rowers, do your oars! Fast as we can!
There are...
Ready oars!
Rowers can't keep this up, Commander.
Lower the oars! More oars! Sails down! Start throwing! Sails! Rowers, do your oars!
Can't go any faster. This is dangerous territory, Commander. There's salvage nearby.
Sails up! Oars in! Full sail! that sail up! Sails down! Oars at the ready! Lower sail!
I'll be honest, I don't think we can win this one. Watch that ship, Commander. It's heavily armed.
Go! Enemies are close! Get ready!
We can't keep going at this speed! I'm not sure we are safe here.
Get the oars out! Ship the oar!
I think we're out of danger. We'll never continue along these waters, though. We are heading into dangerous waters.
Forward!
I see salvage!
Oars in! Full sail! Start throwing! Let's go! Sails down! Ship the oars! Sails up now!
I believe would be useful.
Drop the sail! Get the oars ready!
Commander, the rowers need time to rest.
Ready the oars! Sails!
We need better weapons and defenses to win this fight. We should pull back.
Ready oars!
Salvage nearby.
Sailing speed!
Are you sure this is a good idea, Commander? This is a dangerous area.
Oars down! Running speed! Rowers in position! Sails now! Raise the sail!
Look there! Salvage! Commander, I'd recommend a retreat.
Lower the oars! Sails down!
There might be danger ahead, Commander.
Growing speed! We're moving now! Get board! We'll show them what we're made of! Bastard!
Rowers need a break, Commander. And speeding up for a hit, Commander.
Ready oars!
We can't go any faster, Commander.